Hello guys, it's been a while since we last hiked, ever since the Lavalier 121, and today we're back in one of the places that you guys may recognize from previous videos. This is near Mynydd, the Black Mountains in Wales, and we're going to Llyn van Fawr or Llyn van Fawr. And you guys may remember that we camped here last winter. That was really fun. Today we're not camping though. If you notice, our backpacks are quite light and we're in a bit of a rush because we arrived here at like 2:12, 2:15. Sundown is about 6:30, so there is a high chance we may have to hike in the dark. We brought some headlamps, so just in case. But look at the surrounding. It was cloudy as hell just now. Now it's quite sunny. Hopefully get sunnier and sunnier towards sundown, and we're gonna get some of the best sunset views possible, hopefully. So yeah, let's go! The last time we were here it was winter, so the whole place was covered in snow. But today it's autumn, so the entire place has this orange glow that is really hard to explain. It's simply beautiful.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless.
The daredevils amongst you guys would probably want to stand on that ledge over there. But look at it, oh my goodness. There's actually a crack over there.
We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seemed so strong until...
Okay, right guys, that is Llyn van Fawr. That's the first lake you will find if you're coming from that pub site. During the last winter, we camped over around there somewhere. Really good place to camp. No wind, nothing. And good water supply as well from the lake. Really love this place, one of the best places we ever camped, and if you're trying out winter camping, you should definitely go here. This is the best place for winter camps. This place is so nice. It's like the kind of place that they used to shoot those Indonesian cigarette commercials. Pria punya selera, pria bertualang. And actually you cannot believe this is actually in the UK because the British literally plundered all their land. It's like you can go anywhere, like even Peak District and all you see is farms, like non-stop farms. Ooh. But Wales, for some reason, there's still a lot of wilderness. Yeah, come to Wales. Snowdon is nice. Brecon Beacons is nice. I can't believe this is the UK. Alright guys, one last steep climb before we get to Van Fawr. And it's quite steep. This is how steep it is. Yeah, not too bad, right? Not as steep as Lavalier. This place is so surreal. Oh wow, what was that? That's a bird. But yeah, too lazy to go down there. So I guess we're gonna call it a day because sundown is almost there. It's golden hour, but look at the clouds. Yeah, Amalia. So satisfied or not?
Satisfied?
Worth it or not?
Worth it.
Wanna go back already?
Don't want. Oh, don't want.
Come on. Come on.
Cannot, don't want.
Come.
Can I just
Late
stay?
already.
Yeah.
Cannot, no tent. We didn't bring tent.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we're still on the trail. It's proper night time already. And the stars here, insane. The views at night is insane, but unfortunately my camera cannot capture it right now. And I'm lazy to take out my big camera. I guess this is the end of the video. Hopefully we get to the end. Hopefully we survive all this. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.
Yeah, we were dancing on the wire.